on this outside garage. Here is where we used to have a garage door, right here. No longer a garage door. As you can see, it's a window into the bath. Little of the things changed what we wanted to do on the inside, but we'll get to that. This wall here did not look like this originally at all. It stopped, it was broken over there. We did not have these top pieces on it. And this was another like a focal point we wanted to be able to take advantage of, because it's somebody that get this house, they can entertain out here, eat barbecue, there's this place to sit, and it's tucked to this garage. And the garage was the really cool thing we like to do, because it's not just a garage anymore. Let me show you that. So it had a small bathroom, but everything needed to be redone. We wanted to replan everything in the garage to be more suitable to somebody if they wanted to use it for a studio, or if they want to shove their mom in it or whatever. Turn the lights on. Come on in, it's nice and cool. So if you remember what the garage looks like, here's a small snippet. Look at this. These were the bricks that it's made out of. Remember I told you honeycomb brick in the house that was made out of this brick? We wanted to let somebody know, hey, this is what it used to look like. It's still the walls like that. We didn't want to cover it all up. Kind of nice to have a little history story about things. A little place for your keys, your phone, whatever, when you come in. This could be an Airbnb for all intents and purposes. Above us, we blew in some spray foam, painted it white, really nice, and I think cohesive would be the good word. So maybe, you know, when it looks so white and clean in here, maybe just think grease. Anyway, on to the rest. You see over here, this is a kitchenette. It's not a full-blown kitchen or anything. It has enough for you to wash your dishes, put a microwave up here. You could sneak a fridge over here. We put a plug here just to have a small, like one of those tiny smegs, or a, you know, just something to put some extra food in so somebody could stay here for a month if they wanted to. This right here, pocket door into our bathroom. You'll see I'm standing about 7.5 inches higher than I was. Before we did this, we took out the old plumbing that was here. We did not want to cut in to the concrete. We were like, we don't have time for that. So what we do is we lay all our plumbing out, plumbers strap it to the ground, it goes outside, then we build our floor around it. And it's 7.5 inches. It's just a normal step up height. It's not like crazy. You don't have to step 12 inches. It's just normal. It's just a regular gate. Boom, perfect. We're known for finding placing studs. That's it. This is a little storage. Doesn't have a door on it. You can use it to display stuff, but you can also use it for storage if somebody wants to store stuff here. I made this out of extra wood. Not tough, not tough. Just think about these things before you do them. Over here, full-size shower in a garage. It's not tiny. This is, I think it's like 34 inches by 5 feet. Perfect for anybody. I mean, honestly, it's a full-size house shower. The vanity, I think, is a 24 inch. And for, like, again, for the size of this garage, everything is just super big. It's not, you don't really think like you're living in a New York apartment here, where you're like having to chintz on the size of everything. Nice window looking out to where we just were. And again, remember the garage door was here. Blocked all this up, put the window in, because we wanted some light being able to come in here if somebody was in here reading, since we have no windows in here. And then the really good plus is we put our mini split in. Makes it absolutely bearable in here, especially when you couple it with our insulation. So that's the tour. That's the tour from beginning to end. It's just ultra usable. Somebody does not have to do anything to this house for probably another 20 years. Just update and upkeep. Honestly, updating has already been done. Upkeep, like, you know, normal house upkeep, that's only what they need to do. They can just love it and live it right now.